Want to cancel your subscription to Netflix, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription. Now let's get started. To cancel your Netflix subscription, go to netflix.com in your preferred browser and log into your account. Then click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account. Then click Manage Membership. Click Cancel Membership. Click Cancel. To confirm, click Finish Cancellation. Once you cancel your subscription, you'll still be able to access Netflix until the next date you would have been billed. That's all it takes to cancel your Netflix subscription. Want to try out another streaming service? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.